Face diet, no line, get rid of wrinkles on the bridge of the nose. 1. Use the middle finger, apply the head of eye upwards to the eyebrow. Repeat 5 times. Two. Use the middle finger, apply from the bridge of nose up to the middle of the forehead. Repeat 5 times. Three. Use your thumb and index finger to press a crease on the nose. Repeat 10 times. Four. Use all fingers, apply from under the eyebrows to the middle of the forehead. Repeat 5 times. Five. Use all fingers, apply from the eyebrows to the middle of the forehead and from the bridge of the nose through to the back of the head. Repeat 5 times. I hope this video has been helpful, and you like it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more. And like and comment below.